Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you I'm going to have a crash course about Python, and as you can see I'm at an incognito window, but it's not a big problem, yeah. So today I'm going to teach you how to install Python. So come here and type python.org. It'll bring you to this page. It'll bring you to this page, right? Now go to downloads and find the latest one and just click the download. Now click on the exe folder and just press install now. If you like pip, you have to customize installation and make sure it's all users are able to install. So just click this and everything will be installed into your computer. Of course, if you think that 32-bit is not good enough, click on downloads and then come over here. Then scroll down, looking for a specific release, okay? Now come to this release version and click on it. Now scroll down and you'll see something called Windows x86 64 executable installer. Well, that's just 64-bit executable installer, so you just have to click on it and it will also download. But I've downloaded it already, so yeah. But I've not downloaded 32-bit, that's why. So guys, I think that should be about it for my first video, and I hope you'll stay tuned for more of my Python crash course, and goodbye.